Interpolation is a method used to determine a present or future valued factor when the exact factor does not appear in a present or future valued table. Interpolation assumes that the change between two values is linear and that the margin of error is negligible. The Lagrange interpolation polynomials is simple, a reformulation of Newton's polynomial that avoids divided differential calculation. In this program, I use the following values, and I want to get the value in point 2.5. The idea is to automate in the cleanest way. Interpolation is basically the estimation of an unknown value that falls between two known values. In this program, I use the following values, and I want to get the value in point 2.5. The idea is to automate in the cleanest way, so an external delivery is appropriate. Quadratic interpolation is a special case of Newton's general interpolation. With the Newton interpolation polynomials, it is possible to approximate the value of the function f of x in a unknown value of x. I made a code where I will introduce the same previous data be the terminal. Next, I will show the operation of the previous programs. As you can see, the values of the programs are the same, thus obtain very similar results and checking their operation.